Today I'm going to show you how to turn Do Not Disturb mode on or off on your laptop, desktop, or tablet, so you can control notifications easily. First, open the search menu on your Windows device, type in Settings, and click on the best match that appears. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand panel and select System. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you see Notifications and Actions. Here you'll find the Do Not Disturb option. To enable it, simply toggle the switch on, and notifications will be sent directly to the notification center instead of popping up on your screen. If you want to turn it off later, just toggle the switch off, and notifications will appear normally again. You can also customize which notifications still come through, while Do Not Disturb is enabled. Just scroll down to see all the available options and adjust according to your preference. And that's it. Controlling Do Not Disturb on your Dell device is that simple. If this helped, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.